everybody, thanks for joining me for another tutorial in Melinda's Rubber Room. I'm Melinda Pierce and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm here today to show you this fun double diamond fold card. It's actually quite easy to make, and it does stand up and it fits in a regular size envelope, so I'll get right to those instructions. So we're going to start with a piece of card base that measures 4 1/4 by 11, and it's scored at 2 1/4, 4 1/2, and 7 3/4. And you're just going to fold that as a mountain, valley, mountain fold. So it's going to look like that. And then we have 2 pieces of square cardstock. So for this one, use the basic white, and it measures you're going to cut 2 squares that measure 3 by 3. And 2 pieces of Designer Series paper that measure 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. So that's if you want this type of look. The one that I'm doing today, I wanted to use this die cut, and it was a little too large to use that Designer Series paper, those combinations. So I just took a piece of white cardstock. This does measure the same as this one here. So that measures 3 by 3. And then I cut my Designer Series paper to match that. So that is 3 by 3 as well. So this die cut, it's so gorgeous. It is from the Memorable Blooms stamp set and dies. So that's the stamp set. And then the dies, these are the dies that cut out some of those flowers. And then there's this die, these 2 dies here that work together. So this one cuts out the detail. It does not cut out the entire image though. So if you want to cut out the entire image, you have to pair it up with that other outside die as well. And when you do that, it gives you this image here. Okay, so that's just a little bit of background there. Okay, so then we have a piece of white cardstock that this one here measures 3 by 4, and that's going to go right here on the back. I'm sorry, it's going to go, yeah, right here on the back. And then we have a piece of Designer Series paper. This is going to go right in the center. That measures 3 by 4. And then we have a front layer that measures 2 by 4, and that goes right there. So this section here is the only one that's left blank. So I'm just going to go ahead and adhere these all down. So that is the base of our card, like that. And then we're going to take our squares. So you have a piece of the white cardstock again. This measures 3 by 3. And then you have a 2 3/4 by 2 3/4 Designer Series paper. That is going to, this one here is going to go on the back. And you're going to match up these points of the squares to the fold line, like so. So this side of the square will not be glued down. It's just this section here. I'm just going to put glue right from corner to corner into like a triangle. And then matching up my corners with that fold line. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Again, matching those fold lines up with the points of the triangle of the square. And looks like that. And then all I have to do is decorate the back piece here. Okay, so I am going to attach the die cut that I just made. Just like that, just so that there's a little something up there. Let's see, maybe I'll turn it like so. And then I'm going to stamp another greeting down here. Living kind of dangerously. I should have actually decorated this panel before I glued it down, so hopefully I will do this right the first time. If not, there's always a way to fix it, so gotta live on the edge. Perfect. Just never know unless you try. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and attach this. Like so. There's that completed card. Just need to do a little writing on the back. Let's see, I think I might decorate the back as well. Have some extra paper here. Oh, it was nice to tie the inside or the back side with the front. All right, there's that completed card. Hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial. It's really a fun and easy card to make. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Be happy to answer them for you. All right, have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.